Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Eliza_Jacob. Today we're gonna cook our chicken with coconut milk and rice. It's gonna be our substitute and salad. You can see it is 2 p.m. and we need to start cooking by probably 3 p.m. Yeah. So from now you see it's 30 minutes to the hour. I need to start preparing the stuffs. Yeah. So the salads are ready. So now it is time to start cutting the other stuff.
Pay the bills before you start doing other things. That is it. Yeah. So first you cut the ingredients, everything, put it ready. Nowadays I'm not coming on every day because I'm bored, guys. I don't know why. Sometimes these things, okay, it is an office. It's like a side hustle. Doing cleaning, sometimes you get bored. Sometimes you want to sleep the whole day without doing anything. Sometimes you want to try something new. But it's okay. It is okay and it is what it is. So we need this into small pieces so that we can decorate our chicken. That's why we're decorating the chicken. And so my coriander usually I dip it in a lot of water so that if there are some insects, you just see them floating. So you can't grasp them. If there is something needed to be washed many times, several times, like and confirm. You do it, you confirm. You do it, you confirm. Until you see there is nothing inside. The water should be clean, barely clean without anything before you start cutting it. For me, I love the stems. Some they don't like it, so I'll just eliminate the ones which can be seen, and the rest I'll smash it into small pieces. Like they don't like stems from the coriander or parsley. Yeah, like that. I'm not used to step down. Today I said, the weather outside seems so hot. Let me step outside the room without shoes. Hey, I've come. I came here at 1 p.m. Some minutes to 1. Now it is 2:30. So I've been trying to sniff here and there. What is supposed to be done? What can I do? Waiting for the time to get ready. You know, there's that time you want to start, like now it's time to start. Yeah, you need to come early, like 30 minutes early, because something like chicken, you have to put in water so that the ice can go. And you need also to prepare, to arrange the salads. Like now I'm done with the salads. Everything for the salads is ready, and I'm good. Salads are good to go. So this is the corn and the chickpeas, and the corn we use is how do you call it? The yellow one, yellow maize. Yeah, it's the one for salads. The young one, changa, inakwanga imechemshwa, imepakiwa kwa mkebe, and then the chickpeas same too. They are being boiled, and then can. They are ready to be consumed. Yeah, so wanted to reduce at least. If I'll chop and the stock, these stems will be seen. Some people just select them from the fruit, which becomes so weird. And I come to realize that I have to cook them very nice. For me, I prefer to garnish it, like from the top. We call it Krishna when you put it on the top. In Indian way or Asian way, Krishna. I've cut the onions. The tomato paste is ready. Garlic paste and ginger is ready. The carrots, bell pepper, and the salads are ready. So now what is just remaining is the chicken. The rice, I washed it. I cleaned it like 30 minutes ago. I soaked it in water. So you need to clean well. Don't, like most of us, we usually cook rice without being washed. Nowadays, it's not like long time ago, whereby the rice used to come from the farm direct. Okay.
This is water?
No, I don't know what it is from. I've never used it. You want the one which has water?
Water only. There's one for water?
It's downstairs in the side here, in the mirror.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's where Ali put it.
Okay.
Anafanya usafi kwa rumu yake. Nawaambia watu huyu mtu anajioshea rumu yake. Maisha watu wanajioshea. Wow. I'm not saying anything. Mungu, shukrani ya Rabbi, shukrani ya Rabbi, shukrani ya Rabbi, shukrani ya Rabbi, shukrani. Guys, be good. I've come to learn a lot of things. Be that free spirit. God will direct you to the perfect match. Sometimes I don't know what to tell God. It's called blessings. Yeah. So I've made sure I've cut it into small pieces. So that is the best thing about starting a little bit early. When you start early, I'm supposed to start cooking by 3, but I'm not in hurry. For now, at 3:30 the meal should be ready. 3:30. So yeah. Everything is ready, just waiting for the right time to come. So our coriander, our this is ready. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. as we go. Yeah. So now it is the chicken. We call it the judge. Time for the judge. You can cut it as you want. Me, I'm cutting into small pieces. Yeah. I prefer it into small pieces today because I'm making what we call kitoweo, like a sauce, which I'm gonna use it. Yeah. At last I found the gloves. They were somewhere. It's like the place where they were, you can say it's a hidden place, but it's a shelf. So the problem it was that it was down. I couldn't see. I've been searching for them for some time. Like even there were many packets I didn't know. And I've been wondering. There's a time I tried to open this can of tuna and it popped inside my skin. Oh, I started floating with blood. I'm like, oh, blood is coming out. What? And I was in the midst trying to do everything fast. Oh my goodness, I felt it. I had to look for foil. Oh my god. Let me see, someone is trying to fall. Who is this going in the middle? Oh. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Where you go? Beyond.
Nimekupigia simu, nimeona kama umekasirika.
Hapana, sijakasirika, niko salama.
Uko job?
Niko kazi.
Uko Saudi ama uko wapi?
Sasa niko Saudi.
Uko Saudi? Oh. Unanikumbuka?
Nimaete.
Oh.
Unaweza kosa kujua watu wa familia kweli?
Unajua kuna wengi wamekataa kujua watu.
Familia manga nene ni maita mtu once.
Okay. Sawa tu nila tu nikakuona nikasema tiangu kwani.
Kwando rara hivu sara. Kwando rara hivu kwando rara.
Nimekuona right.
Ndi ndagira nkorosi. Onye kore buya. Katari waratemire ko nyemenye njoma ite na igitenga kuri myeke bere na takiti kuri niyo musubati yakanga kunganchira nche bakore I company bono ngaratiga exit
Katari kwa nini?
Nona aringe do hawo Umsalal Muhammad
Mwaka gani?
2019 2021
Sasa ndio nilikaa huko. Sasa nikatoka huko nikakujia sehemu za Sanaya.
Oh.
2023 kwa huko 24 sasa ndio nimekuja hapa Sanaya.
Kwamba hiyo side sikuona mpaka hiyo side tunaita Arwakra.
Arwakra.
Alayan, hizo sehemu. Rusail. We used to walk, go outside. We had family members. And then to agachire chichi hotel chabo Marriott, chabo Windham, chabo Hilton, Twara, Rororo, a weekend. So makwira na weekdays naende nyumba.
Okay, ndio biatere.
Evono.
Ano
Embuya tema nombo mtingireti ya nyumba ndete nende kwenye bwa tuka nende ntemo seni nyori yesu mete shida to wika Kenya tu sababu commission nyingi bono ingekuwa ni uwezo ngirane before ngende ngirane guchobisi mbali kwa school wabisho semba ngire uchise company tima itu sembanje karo na ko ringa kia
okokole onyore namba ya agent mukwa minere direct omote stage yoko changing adaka okay nana ko bichiri na kwa mwa ote agent ngire company
commission ya kyo kur commission ngo te uturi kurwe karore ga besanchi yo kur aftaro no nichika chichi company mbo sechiri
be tongo kana tari ko tari ko mwa Lalu saya kemudian connect. Maksudnya ayah dikali company itu yang saya ke auto program. Terus nggak suka saya kuat nih, nero kali aja sana yo kali aja.
Ninja.
Alafu komisi ni aja kamu.
Metangu tengu tayani Kenya babe na babe chika sironi chichi commission imagine karuna chako bondo atari monta wane tukurno ene shiri. E company ete bante ofa bacho kolega. Ni ili tutote baba Kenya tutama itukuirigiri chikas direct online to connect with chi company. Bono kunyora ngaba ababa ngaturate. Muna chi broker banya kori chibesa.
Mai ndo wana waliba kuri kabere.
Venga bere.
Aso monto yo korera. Como akanale.
Manya.
Ande nayo manya gokori na nayo koru asore.
Ni gaki. Teni saba abe.
Kaka unaona anataka kwenda taki. Somebody alikuwa sabatiriana. Kwa atiriana ndi sasa ningena jagari ndi biashara vyako.
Ngobole mo kugora.
Ai tiriana ndi sasa ngobole moja yako ndero kungaranga.
Nani tengo tu abero sino ko batoko ba desperate arafu riska tu manja tu akol guchika ashuru chichine chindagira nkorosi ndagira itimbo neti korosi. Ndio ndo korosa fiyo.
Wasa barate kwa ndio. Because I saw the other day of describe.
No YouTube channel ya ngo temanda trist na TV abantu. Ngote channel ya. Tari rasima tu arete mwanko, tari rasima. Chika si chuwe komiti muna yaba no go drive. When you go to section you are driving, you are in the battery in any place. O isimi yao kwenye go rede kwere ndiri ya kubwata. Na kitu kunyiruka. Handle ili kubwata kwa vera screen. Ayebono wakora chi video chia para chi tour, road tour. Asu wa visit a new road. Video yawe kwenda viral sana abantu bansikuriye chisi ku Qatar, Saudia, wapi asore. You are a driver, you can do it. Umuntu gutware challenge mona abantu muna security mostly. Karoro bisto ko parambora ko begite uniform unless tuko yobate off day.
Security ko bega. Ale to mai te nane to pare to mandu okay pai te na jengo ne kata ni.
Keta ringina ne korte lakini wono nturi kuriere nchani korte mpaka mangana email e cruise ship. Kasi email ntara nga plate mpaka nyori siman sibuku wono ne ritunzu baite ngi saya kachi. So here we start now. Time to start. It is 3 p.m. Yeah. Bismillah. Have the old rice. Everything is behaving. I don't like when it smells like that. So this is the ingredient we are having here. Let me try and see if it will allow me once more. Ouch! Thanks to God. Oh. So now the only thing I put there for the chicken, it is salt. Put salt so that it cannot stick down. Not too much, a little bit. And so this one I put butter, and then I put also salt and olive oil here. Yeah, I'm gonna add this like this. I don't want it to stick down. Like officially started cooking. We are putting coconut oil, coconut milk with chicken. So let's cover it up. Yeah, and this we put water. First we put rice, so then the rice is being washed, soaked for 3 hours or 30 minutes. Now then so we put like this, so we can see the water, the amount of water needed. So the work of butter is to help it not to stick down. You see? Exactly. So then I open this. Yeah, I reduce it. Yeah. This one I'll steam it. This is another rice. I'll steam it later. So you can see what is the recipe of the day. Let's put it together. Let me erase this. This goes very fast. Make sure everything is intact, like ready. So when you start it, you're very, very fast. Without problems. The salads are ready. For the rice, you can minimize the heat. Yeah. Okay. The chicken cooks itself by water and by the salt and the oil. After it becomes like it wants to be like the one which is barbecued, that's when you add the onions. What's up, guys? Again, it's a beautiful evening or afternoon. So now, for the salads are ready. Let's mix them. Put corn and what do we call chickpeas. Already this one is cooking. I need a spoon. I need a spatula. That is it. The work of a fork is to pierce the lemon. Because the lemon is already cut. We're going to use half of it. So in order to finish with the salad, I make the sauce, I keep it separate. So my sauce is lemon water, yeah, and sumac, the black pepper, the salt, black pepper, my rose, so my rice simmering. Proceeded to make white rice, so the sauce is here. I already put black pepper. Yeah, it's enough. And then now we put the sauce on it. Like it is done. Yeah. You don't need something extra. So that's all done. So what next? So now the chicken is done. It needs to turn golden brown. Golden brown. Then put the onions. And put garlic and ginger. I need to make this again. I have to make another one. The aroma. So now I put more onion. I want it to be golden brown. Our rice is almost. Once the water flows, so we put the carrots and the bell pepper. your food. So first I'll put the carrot, then this one, and my rice. I need to make it low. I've already closed it. So now let me put it here. I don't know if you can see it. So that is me. So now I'll add this. It's already hot. I'll add the tomatoes. I'll add the red sauce. A little bit too much salt. A little bit of salt. This now, the onion powder. Yeah, oh, garlic. And the onion. This is coconut milk. Coconut milk. So that Baharat. Baharat is Arabic spicy. We love it. Oregano. I love oregano. Oregano cleanses your body. Oh, this is onion powder. A little bit. So the rice is ready. Cumin, let's come on. We have food called, which is cardamom. We call it cardamom. Apart from that, we have ginger. We have ginger, a little bit of ginger. A little bit of turmeric. Yeah, and now we wrap up again with the onion, with the coconut oil now. We put all of it with the sauce. Yeah. Now this one. So when you open this, you be careful. It usually hurts me when I open it. So I'm not keen. Oh, there is the coconut milk. I love it. Oh, coconut is coconuting. If you can see yourself. It is coconuting. So now this is where the spatula comes. Oops. Try to remove the cream. I love the coconut. I like it. Garnish with the fresh one.
food is almost ready. In some minutes to be ready. Yeah. Everything is ready. The salads are ready. The rice is ready. And what again? Oh la la. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. The recipe is ready and ready to be enjoyed. Yeah. I'm done like this. Thanks for being here. It's my friend, so I don't take it for granted. I love you and I thank you so much. So much. Bless you all. Bless you, bless you, bless you, follow you. So let's see like for some minutes, then we move it. So I can add a little bit of this. Okay, cream. A little bit because already. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. It is done. So now it's the rice, the previous rice. I need to make it warm. This rice, I want to make it warm because I use this and I make this for me. Yeah, I'm very happy now. I say, taran, 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 the food is ready. Taran, taran, taran. That's that. Yeah, the coconut, chicken coconut what? Curry. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Ooh la la. So let's do it. It is time to pack it. Time to pack the food. I don't know if you can see very well because that one. It will be enough. To do the packing here. First we start with the rice. Yani mchele. But this rice, I'm gonna use it. The previous one. You can put water, you can put on a sieve as you want. For me, I want to put, it's me we're gonna eat the rice. So we put also cooking cream on it and because it's rice which was not for today. So I'm trying to make it warm and tasty. Consume it. I don't know about you. How do you make your meal tasty? Which is it's like amuliogo.
I wish I could have put a big hot pot. That's okay. So our rice is ready. It's ready. Me, I'm gonna use the other one. Now, time to make the chicken curry. I'm preheating that. Oh my goodness. So the one of the spatula, I don't like leaving any residue because mutamu yote mutamu, usikia mutamu wa chakula. It's gonna slide. Usikia mutamu. Oh, thank you. And that is it. Wow, mashallah. Tabarakallah. Shukran. Shukran, shukran, ya Rabbi, shukran, ya Rabbi, ya Rabbi, shukran. I don't know. There is this biro. You know biro? The suit has held this stuff. And I was putting it in it. It's okay. It's good. So I'm done. I need to go now to another department and also serve there. This one I'm done. Thank you. And the salads are here. And the salads are here. And I'm ready for the sauce. So we cover the salads like this. Here, I'll make this head. So now it is this my meal. Thank you so much. Thank you for staying here. Welcome tomorrow again at the same time, same place. Love the universe. Much love. Yeah, it's called a wrap up. A wrap up. Yeah. Kwaherini.